Whip up this fantastic recipe for madeleines. Start by combining eggs and sugar, then mix in warm milk and honey. Add in the dry ingredients, flour and baking powder, and stir well. Finally, blend in melted butter until smooth. Spoon the batter into molds and bake for 15 minutes at 340 degrees Celsius. For the glaze, melt white chocolate in the microwave, stir in vegetable oil, and mix thoroughly. The outcome? Delightfully soft madeleines with a smooth, glossy finish that will have everyone asking for more. Check the description for full details. Enjoy making this flavorful recipe.